tragedy, tears, the dark water below. But we live in 2026, and I have a better idea. They drew a line in the sand, said you don't belong. Different class, different name, singing the same old song. They handed us a script, the one where we died, bound by the cloth beneath the velvet sky. They want a legend of sorrow, a statue of pain, but we are not standing out here in the rain, waiting for a miracle that never comes. Listen closely, hear the beating of the drum. We stood on the bridge looking down at the black water. Gravity was calling, but the horizon called louder. Why should we end it? Why should we break? When there's a whole wide world for us to take, start the car. Oh, SARASIN, you're not my grave tonight. You're just the highway to a brand new life. If this town blocks us, we don't cry or freeze. We pack our bags and find a new breeze. Drive fast, don't look back, let the engine roar. Love is not a tragedy, it's an open door. We're crossing over, yeah, we're crossing over. They say it's impossible, it's destiny's trap. I say, baby, open the Google map. There's a place somewhere where the rules are kind, where your last name doesn't matter, just your mind. We are Romeos and Juliets in a tomb. We are just two souls leaving a crowded room. If the server is toxic, we change the server. Gas pedal down, playing with a new fervor. Goodbye to the prejudice, goodbye to the walls. The legend ends here where the rubber crawls. We choose to live, we choose to run. We choose the sun. Made it across. The bridge is behind us now. Just keep driving. Don't look back.